Okay, this is page 26 of the notes now. Now we're going to evaluate functions using a graph. So this is when they do not give you an equation and you have to look at a graph to come up with f of -4, for instance. So this part right here, remember, is the input. So on an xy graph, that's your x. So you want to go to x-axis at -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to go up till you hit the graph, and you want that ordered pair. So somewhere on this graph it's -4 comma something. You want to know what that output is. So go to the graph at -4, and the y value right there is 2. So therefore the answer of f of -4 is equal to 2. So once again, this one, f of 0, this is an input. So you want to go on your x at 0 comma something. So follow your graph. That means I'm following this curly cubic function, and I'm finding 0 on my x-axis. Okay, what is the ordered pair right there? The ordered pair is 0, 0, so therefore the answer is 0. All right, f of 3, this is an x at 3, so 3 comma blank. So you need to find 3 on your x-axis, 1, 2, 3. You need that y value right there that corresponds to 3. So it looks like it goes down, almost down to 2. So I'd say like -1.8 for an answer. F of -5, remember that's your x as -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're on the orange graph, and that ordered pair is -5, 0. So your answer there is 0. Okay, now the difference here on the next part says find x when f of x is equal to -2. So this is when your output, or your y in our case, is -2. So this ordered pair is blank comma -2. So this time you need to go on your y-axis -2, because that's a y. So -2, boom, boom, and you go over till you get to the orange graph, and it hits right there, and you need to know what x this is right here. So the x would be over 2. So that means x is equal to 2 is how you would write your answer there. All right, the next one, your y is 0. Okay, well, we already showed you that point. So this is blank comma 0. So that would be right here, and you're on your orange graph, so your answer is 0. So you would write x equals 0. Okay, one more example down here at the bottom. Exercise 2. It says in the graph above, f of 4 is equal to 1. Oh, I don't think we actually need that. All right, find the following values for the function f of 6. So notice that they called this function f of x, and that's your input. Input is 6, so that's your x. So go on x-axis to 6, go up till you hit your graph, and our corresponding y right there is 2. F of 2, this is your x, x is 2, x is 2 right here, our corresponding y is 4. F of 0, that's an x value, so go to 0, you go up, and you hit your graph at 7. F of 5, that's your x, x is 5, I hit my graph right there, in between 1 and 2, so I'm going to say 1.5. All right. This at the bottom, for which values of x is this statement true? So this is your output, which means that's your y. So you want to go on your y-axis to 1. I'm going to highlight this one because this one has multiple answers. So I want every ordered pair on this graph that's something comma 1. All right, it hits there and it hits here. So I'm going to put x equals. The first one, that ordered pair on this graph, is 4 comma 1, so you just put 4, and then my x down here is about 9.3, something like that. All right, that's it. Those are the notes for function notation. Bye-bye.